Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I will lead you to discover about the harvest of terrace field on the mountainside. They are heating rice on the container. This is a competition, so they have to do quickly to finish. Who finish first will be win. The weather today also beautiful. It's hot, sunny, very favorable for harvesting. They are focused with their job, their work. Many people come here to give them motivation and encourage them. This competition have 5 groups. Each group come from each commune. Let's go!
Thấy quả thông không?
Mostly the women undertake harvest rice. The men will undertake heating rice into the container because the men will be stronger than the women. There is a buffalo used to plow. After they finish the harvest terrace fields, this team, this group are close to finish. They close to finish. They do quickly. You see, they do quickly, and now when the woman finish, then we'll come here to help the man eating the rice. So in all, thank you for watching my video.